And it's super early for once. I don't know kya hua, but like a bunch of classes have gotten cancelled today and they've been rescheduled for the coming week, and it's 3 p.m, which means I'm free for half the day, which is crazy, which means I'm vlogging. So in my last video I talked about how I had to change rooms because I had a fungal infestation in my previous room. So I had taken off my cute little frames that I had put up, and today I just put them up because I finally got the time to see. Also, I'm literally like crouching down and talking because this room, where I've set up my camera, I didn't have any space to open it fully. So, my height fit in karne ke liye I have to shrink. People think I lie when I say that I'm 5'7". I don't know why I would lie in any universe about this. Also, I'm so happy because my room gets sunlight, which is unheard of. My previous room, my previous room, my original room in IIM Jammu, in our old campus, got zero sunlight. And when I mean zero sunlight, it was in the darkest, dingiest corner of my hostel. I don't think there was any room that got less sunlight than my room. So it is a blessing to be living here, and I am genuinely very grateful. A lot of studying has to be done because exams are in, and a lot of like group projects are also going on abhi. So I have a data analytics, I have a data analytics group project, I have a geography group project, I have a marketing group project. What else do I have? Creativity and innovation group project. French also group project. We have to do a lot. Let's get to it.
Stop so we could last forever, 'cause I don't know if the last time will be tonight. I knew that we were always bound to say goodbye. I guess I hold on longer
So one of our courses in Sem 3 of IPM at IIM Jammu is geography, and to have the like real life hands-on experience of that, basically we were taken to this place called Mansard Lake in Jammu, which is an extremely beautiful place to see the topography of Jammu and specifically of that lake, like the geographical factors of the lake and the flora and fauna and everything around it. See that? Set on. This is no? No, this is oh okay. Set. Mansard Lake. Say. Oh yeah, say. Mansard Lake. Hello.
Sail Mansard Lake.
Sail Mansard Lake. I'm feeling. It's so feeling right.
Fight. Just keep fighting. Fight.
Oh. You got that right.
You go by now. I'm recording.
Guys, Yugantar is trying to kill the fish.
Nope.
Yeah. Full war is
fishes
going
after
on.
me, yaar.
Yeah. They are after each other only. They want to kill each other for the tiniest piece of atta to ever exist.
Why?
Well, you saw it means I stick out. I don't think that'll ever win. Seen a lot of yous round here before. You don't gotta like me no more.
उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं। अरे मुझे भी दे दो प्लीज। यहाँ पे डिप्रेस्ड फिश, यहाँ पे सारे डिप्रेस्ड फिश हो गए, लोनली फिश, दे डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स।
अब से भी डिप्रेस हो गए। तो आप जैसा कि देख सकते हैं हम मानसा लेक पे आए हुए हैं।
Hey, I can't. You are not coming in this thing. You come.
I'm not supposed to come.
Okay.
So here we are at the Mansa Lake and we are feeding the fishes and let's get it from the fishes how they feel about it. So fish, how is your weight in the Mansa Lake?
Let me also ask.
Oh, so slimy. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं we have a very positive response from them. This is how their lives are.
Wow.
तेरे को डालते हैं fish pond में चल।
Sir.
There is not one fish I
What
can see.
is the top? Okay. What is give now? Summon the fish. What do you think about the terrain of Jammu?
This is what happens with
They seem to not have any comment.
schizophrenia.
IQ 30.
Minus.
Because they eat too much. Because they're obese American children.
You.
I love McDonald's.
Yeah.
Look, that's your McDonald's. It's your fish fillet burger.
Guys, romance karo.
जब से तेरे नैना
This looks so good though. Like you could make it a profile picture.
तब से दीवाना हुआ सबसे बेगाना हुआ तू ही दीवाना। अरे भाई
Break up.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लाके जग सुना सुना।
How do you have so much storage?
What?
I don't think that'll ever work. Seen a lot of yous round here before. You don't gotta like me no more. You don't gotta bless me with yours. You don't gotta ever be sure anything I'm doing's gonna work. You don't gotta believe it all. You don't gotta be for me more. You don't gotta stay with me now. Get up off the train while I go.
Okay,
Which chai is
No.
sugar free? Shriya will figure it out.
Okay.
It is this one because they strain this first and then they put sugar and mix it and then they strain the others and they don't have the this thing, and this one has it.
That's
What
smart.
do you want it?
Guys,
It's like sugar.
lol.
I am Ahmedabad से अमृतसर.
Amritsar हो गया. Let me smell it.
Okay. You're taking too much time.
Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2.
Do you want to lock your answer?
Tick tick 3.
I was right. No, the first time I was right. The first
Yes.
time I knew it. Because this is scientific theory.
The feel the Maggie.
We ordered something. Night is presentation preparation night because कल हमारी geography की presentation है and obviously we're starting the night before because that's how things are done. 5. We have a group of 5 and we have divided the work amongst ourselves. तो हमें एक report बनानी है which is handwritten, which is insane. And other than that, we have to make a presentation and incorporate a bunch of videos into it. The project is basically about Mansar Lake. We went to Mansar Lake in Jammu a few weeks ago as a part of our project. Basically, I had to observe all the geographical factors, so topography, flora, fauna, ये सब. And उसके बाद अब हमें वही present करना है. So the work that I'm going to be doing tonight is making the presentation. Report मैं नहीं लिख सकती because if you ever seen my handwriting, the assignment only would get rejected then and there. My handwriting is like that of a 7-year-old child learning how to write for the first time. Like all my whimsy you can see through my handwriting. And we're making the presentation on Prezi, which is this platform, if you don't know, where you can basically map out your presentation really well and really prettily. What we are doing, we are presenting it as a tour of the lake, and as we are going through the lake as we did that day, we are going to be covering the different topics that come up. It's 11:30 right now on Friday, and the presentation is tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. That's when, so we have 2 slots of classes. We have 2 classes consecutively, so usme jab bhi hoga presentation, usse pehle it has to be finished. Let's get to work. Before that, I'm gonna make chai. Let's do a taste test of Wagh Bakri instant chai, because इससे पहले I used to have Girnar instant tea, but वो मेरी खत्म हो गई. So I had to buy this because store में यही था. So इसमें है masala, elaichi and ginger. What are we thinking today? I think elaichi. I'm feeling elaichi today. It's delicious.
Every step we take feels like an ending. Don't know how long we'll be alright. I wish time would stop so we would last forever. Cause I don't.
I'm making these little montages for each little thing we're doing, like flora, fauna and all. And we got so beautiful and cinematic. Pura Indian classical music in the background, full. It's gonna be a proper movie tomorrow. It's 2 a.m. We're not done yet, but we had a coffee break. We went to Nescafe to get coffee, and वहाँ पे all the juniors were studying because उनके midsems आ रहे हैं. And it was so nostalgic, like having your first midsems. And then I remembered कि मेरे भी तो exams हैं in like 2 weeks. Not even 2 weeks, in 1 week, yeah. It's 4 and it's finally done.
Both involve you walking out my life. I'm always waiting for these stories. I guess I'm crazier than I realized. I'm ready to let you go. Just what you need. And you make me believe. Save me. Stay overseas. On to a new phase, and your voice starts to fade, but my heart's still beating the same.